let's have a relaxing Christmas reset with me. We're going to engage in high quality leisure and just enjoy this season. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. Okay, so I'm sitting in my Christmas pajamas in front of the tree with a nice hot cup of herbal tea, here to remind you that this holiday season, we should absolutely slow down and take time to do the high quality leisure activities that we love, even if they seem like they're too childish for you to do. Okay, we're about to get into the high quality leisure, but I wanted to share the tea that I'm drinking with you today. This is by Bigelow, and I just picked it up at the grocery store, and it is ginger snappish, and it is snappy ginger with a hint of lively lemon, and it's herbal tea. So I made a nice mug of tea, and I put a slice of lemon and some honey in it. I'm really enjoying this. So let's jump right into the video, and I hope that this inspires you to reset this season. Let's start with baking. We're going to make some pistachio pudding cherry cookies. Baking is such a fun hobby, but especially this time of year. We begin by combining butter with powdered sugar, and as you can see, I have a little helper with me, one of Santa's elves. Then we add almond extract and mix this in the mixer. After that, we add the pistachio pudding mix and flour. This is what it looks like. The Grinch would absolutely love this cookie. Then we fold in some white chocolate chips and maraschino cherries that have been drained and rinsed. Some people add food coloring to this cookie, but I don't think it needs it. It's green enough for me. We wrap this up in a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 20 minutes or so, and then it's time to get them on the cookie sheet for baking. I place down rounded tablespoonfuls and then flatten them. They bake for about 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. We love these, and I'm enjoying mine with a cup of tea. Another hobby I love, and this actually has surprised me as an adult, but you'll know what I mean if you saw my Halloween videos. But I love coloring. I did always love coloring as a child, so I shouldn't be surprised, but I have picked it up again as an adult. I do find that these specific watercolor markers help make the experience very satisfying. My son and I are coloring pages from Cozy Christmas today. I chose a gingerbread house, and he chose a cute little workshop scene. There is something very meditative about coloring. You go into a zone. I love the process of choosing colors too. That's what's so nice about engaging in hobbies. It's like you enter another realm. It's calming for your nervous system, isn't it? And here are our big reveals. We will place these on the closet door to display with the other ones my children have done this season. So the theme for this video is all about resting and resetting. And I definitely like to take care of myself, especially in the winter time, so that I feel my best. And I would love to thank the sponsor for today's video, which is Ritual. Ritual have amazing multivitamins for everyone. You all know I take the Essential for Women's 18 Plus vitamin from Ritual. I have been doing this for years. I trust this vitamin and it's an enjoyable experience actually taking it. So the Essential for Women 18 Plus is a clinical backed, clean, high quality multivitamin formulated to support key nutrient needs of women ages 18 to 49. All of Ritual's products are made traceable, meaning they tell you where their labeled ingredients come from, why they're there, and how their products are validated. Essential for Women 18 Plus is USP verified, a third-party quality certification that sets one of the highest bars for product transparency. Less than 1% of multivitamins have earned this mark. The capsules are essenced with mint and you take 2 a day. They are delayed release capsules that are gentle on your stomach so you can take them with or without food. They are also subscription based so you never run out. So use my link and code for 25% off your first order with Ritual. Okay, let's talk about Christmas cozies because I finished The Christmas Bell Mystery by Benedict Brown and I loved it. His writing is like a combination of Agatha Christie and P.G. Wodehouse. There were many humorous aspects to the book, and the twists and the turns were great. I loved the big reveal. And I'm looking forward to reading more from this author. Now I'm reading Sleigh Bells by Kate Kingsbury, and you know what? I did not know that this was a historical cozy mystery. It takes place in Edwardian England. I don't know why I thought this was a modern mystery, but I was delighted by this and I'm really enjoying it so far. The mystery all takes place at the Pennyfoot Hotel and there is a great cast of characters and the mystery kicks off right away. You don't need to wait for it to happen, which I like. Reading is a cozy hobby that brings me endless amounts of joy. I always consider reading to be a reset. Another cozy hobby I love is flower arranging. It never gets old. It always puts me into the most wonderful meditative state. Here I'm creating a Christmas carnation bouquet. I found these red and white striped carnations from Trader Joe's. Aren't they charming? I'm pairing them with red carnations and this pretty fern-like foliage. You know, a quote I think about a lot comes from Virginia Woolf. She said, "If you are losing your leisure, look out. It may be you are losing your soul." When I first heard this quote, I thought she was being a little dramatic, but I see what she means. There's another quote, "All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy." It's the same concept. If we just work and do obligations all day and we don't nourish our own souls with beautiful hobbies, high-quality leisure, we could just lose who we are. I write about high-quality leisure in my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home. I'm enjoying all of your feedback on the book, and if you haven't read it yet, I hope you'll pick up a copy today. All this fun is making me hungry, so let's wrap up by making a turkey and cranberry sandwich. I start by taking some sourdough bread and spreading butter on one side of each slice. Then on the other side, I'm placing some cranberry sauce. Yummy. I top this with a slice of Havarti cheese, but you could use Swiss or any other white cheese that you like. Then I place down some sliced turkey breast deli meat, but you could also use leftover turkey from Christmas, for example. I then place the sandwich on a heated grill pan. This is a ceramic one from Chef's Foundry. And I grill the sandwich on each side until the cheese is melted and it's all nice and toasty. Here's my trick after making any kind of grilled sandwich like grilled cheese. I place it on chopsticks for a minute so the bottom of the sandwich doesn't get soggy as the heat escapes. And now it's time to plate it. I'm using my little sandwich tray and some wax paper. It's fun to use these wooden picks to hold it together too. I place some fresh cranberries on the picks to make it extra festive. this delicious lunch hit the spot. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you feel refreshed and relaxed and that you are able to do your own high quality hobbies this holiday season. Thank you so much to Ritual for sponsoring. If you use my link and code down below, you can save 25% off your first order. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.